welcome to a new video. This is Patrick from Munich-Ai. In this short video, I quickly want to show you some strategy adjustments you can use totally for free. I will share them here with our DCA Smart Profit Hunter. These settings I was just testing a bit and playing a bit around. Because I was thinking maybe we can look on a higher time frame and we can try to take, of course, more profits in the time. So basically, normally we look on 15-minute time frames, and of course it's quite accurate, and we take small gains and we'll go in and go out really fast. But now I want to check like how it behavior with, for example, 1 hour time frame. It's changing because, as you know, the base and safety orders are also looking on the same time frames with RSI, so the entrance and the following orders. So, for example, if you check CKB, my favorite coin, and checking the 1 hour time frame, of course, we're looking back quite more far as we look on the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we just look back to the beginning of the year. It's also one thing what you have Tradingview subscription, but when you use 1 hour, you can look back the complete time from the coin basically. So if it's not a coin which is like 10 years old, but the CKB, you can look back completely the time frame. So therefore, of course, you get more profits because you have more trades. But also I want to quickly show you the efficiency of this strategy combined with the RSI sell indicator and the efficiency about the safety orders as well. So in this strategy, I'm using like 10-10 we started, and we have a price deviation of 2. Safety order step scale, so 1.4, and volume scale 2. So that means with every safety order we double the amount. So therefore we're getting much better the average price down, and we have max DCA retries from 7. And if we look on our table here on the side, this tells us even that we only needed once, like the 6 and the 70 safety order, which I think was a crash in 2022. So therefore you probably only need the 7 in the future from my point of view right now. But the take profit we took on 15 minutes, 15 minutes percentage, and this is a minimum profit I put in here, but this field is unnecessary because if I scroll down for the use RSI cell, this will be overwritten. So what I put here minimum profit, so we wait until we reach the 15 percentage, and then we wait for a cross down from the RSI above the 70 level. So which is like when you have good peaks and good pumps, then for example, it was like here, for example, we're not hitting the complete pump unfortunately, but instead of 15 percentage like we had here, we will go up until, let's say, 32 for here, and the recent push up even better. So as you can see here, we were really lucky because here also like we would normally sell like with 15 percentage in here, but as the RSI made like a big pump until here and then corrected a bit with the RSI also cooled down a bit, but we always stayed above the 70 value, and then we pumped up more. And if it's after that going down, like we have like a bit sideways move, and then the RSI is quickly cooling down, and this is like the cross down from the 70 level going down where we sell. And this is like the really massive profits here we took. So instead of like the 15 percentage, we would sell like with also 35, 36. So which is like, yeah, more than double the profits. And this is what I really like on the strategy. And if you're scrolling back, having the Munich-Ai Smart DCA Profit Hunter, and check out all the trades which has taken. This is like a really nice because even if we stay longer in the trades, there will be like a part here is also really good sell with RSI strategy. And basically, of course, the holding time will be longer, but you can consider taking the strategy for a really good long-term strategy. Just set it up once and you will see your profits like in this time, like a year, two, exploding. And even with the reinvest function and taking 15% at profit, every profit will be put it like on the base and safety order. You will make much more and really good profits. If you take the time and install the strategy and just forget it. And in the future, when doesn't matter, it's crashing down or let's quickly check how it behaves like in a really hard crashes. So for example, when we had not taking this here, I will go back and just checking. Let's say here at the beginning it was 21, and if I go on the 1 hour time frame back, it really doesn't matter with this strategy. You will survive every single market, and because we're waiting for 1 hour to rebuy for the safety orders, we're waiting for 1 hour RSI 1430 crossing up. So as soon as we crossing down under the price deviation, we're waiting for the cross up of RSI and then sell buy the safety order. So let me just check where this big pump was, and after that, here's the beginning. So we started really crazy with the coin up, and we have the 15% take profit. We were losing if we were like hodling at the beginning. So we started here and just went down 55%, which is quite crazy, of course. But you see here, collecting all the safety orders, profiting here, there, and then again, going. We can even measure like from the beginning how much this coin lost until the really low from the upper price, which is like somewhere here. Sorry. Or let's say this peak here, for example. This was on the 1st April of 21, losing 80% of the value of the coin. So 1st April 21. Let's go back. This is 20. So this is a really good long-term strategy. Set it and forget it, but enjoy the profits and the reinvest function. So if you want to have like daily profits, this is probably not the correct strategy for you. If you want to use leverage, also not. You just should use it like with the spot trading, and then set it up, forget it. So the problem here is just with 1 hour we're not looking back completely, but this is the peak we just had until there. It's like this 80%, so, and we basically have no problem with that. So this is a really nice strategy combined with the Smart DCA Profit Hunter if you want to use spot trading and waiting a longer time and just investing in the crypto with the spot, and you make in the future the massive gains reinvested, of course. And so in this strategy, of course, as I said, as usual, you can get it here on our website. You can go to the shop for the backtester strategies, or you join us directly to the Elite Traders Club. As I said, always when I go to the website, it jumps with the value. So refresh it so you see the correct price. But even if you proceed and buy it, I will change that focus, of course, for you. So here the backtester and the strategies are included, and with the Traders Club, I will help you setting up everything. You get a one-on-one coaching, and I will help you going this way. Even when there are some problems or anything, I will help you on Discord and so on, and we will have our webinars from time to time so that we all will be profitable. This as an example strategy, so please feel free to copy it and use it with our signals. So, and as I said, I will be happy when you join our Discord. So that's it for the video today. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward seeing you on the Discord, and then see you soon. Bye bye.